17 jaw-dropping things you didn't know about the human body. Did you love science at school? Let's face it, only a handful of us had the stomach for learning all the scientific stuff back then by heart. But today's topic will be easier to perceive. What is more, it will be much more exciting. We have 17 jaw-dropping facts about your body that may still be hard to swallow and digest, but you will be all ears to hear about them. If you have any comments while watching the video, don't hold back. Share them below the video. And hit the like button to show us that you appreciate our work. Number 17. Your brain can generate enough electricity to power a small light bulb. When you are awake, your brain is known to generate electricity in the amount of about 15 to 25 watts. This power is quite enough to keep a low-wattage LED lamp shining. Simultaneously with electricity production, this organ generates random thoughts, up to 50,000 a day. One more shocking fact, or better to say, a myth debunked, the common knowledge that people use just 10% of brain capacity is, in fact, very wrong. Hooray! The scans conducted show that people use most of their brain even when they are asleep. Number 16. Human teeth are roughly as strong as shark teeth. And it's a flattering comparison. Sharks have, on average, 15 rows of strong teeth placed in each jaw. In fact, they are already born with a set of teeth and can protect themselves from the baby age. Sharks are those lucky creatures that don't suffer from teeth problems and cavities, and their teeth are as strong as the human ones. Now to the fun part. The enamel which covers the top of your teeth is the hardest part of your whole body. Number 15. Depending on its acidity, if your stomach acid made contact with your skin, it could eat a hole in it. Hydrochloric acid is a typical inhabitant of a human stomach. This type of acid is industrial grade and can, in fact, destroy metals. In a human body, though, it protects the immune system and kills off lots of viruses and bacteria contained in the food people eat. Also, the acid helps a special enzyme to grind products consisting of proteins so that your body can digest such food easier. And one more super cute fact about your stomach, if you blush, the insides of this organ turn red as well. Aww. Number 14. Apart from its inflammability, the human hair is virtually indestructible. Hair is a fabulous part of a human body. First of all, it is the place where all the information about a person is stored. Even the content of your bloodstreams, such as vitamins, drugs, or alcohol, can be found out from a strand of hair analysis. One strand can support about 3.5 ounces of weight. Number 13. Humans can create up to 7,000 different facial expressions. Well, actually, according to scientists, there are 4 main or basic facial expressions: angry, afraid, surprised, happy, and sad. Based on these, all the rest of 7,000 expressions are performed. It is interesting that facial expressions, which are genuine, are more likely to be symmetrical. Number 12. Babies have over 60 more bones in their bodies than adults. Babies are born with as many as 270 bones. Later on, some of the bones start fusing together. For instance, the bones of the spine. Another good example is a baby skull that has several overlapping bones. It makes it easier for a baby to squeeze out during the birth. Number 11. The resolution of the human eye is estimated to be around 500 megapixels. It makes them 72 times more precise than the rear camera of an iPhone 6. What is more, your eyes can see the difference between 10 million colors. Sounds great, just one question. Why do we need smartphone screens with 16 million color range? Number 12. An adult's skin weighs around 17.6 pounds or more on average, making up 16% of the total body weight. You would probably never say so, but it is the largest organ of the human body. Perhaps the skin weight makes lifting up another human being so difficult. Another interesting fact about your skin is that every square inch of it is covered with more than 600 sweat glands. It might be the reason people sweat a lot. Number 9. The human skeleton completely regenerates itself every 10 years. Since this is happening constantly on a cellular level, you always have a blend of old and new bones in your body. But it doesn't mean you shouldn't take care of your current bones, thinking that they will anyway be replaced within a decade. Eat calcium-rich food to help them stay strong. Number 8. Your eyes stay closed for about 10% of your waking hours. That's the time you spend blinking. A person blinks on average 15 times a minute, though it is proven that women do it twice as often as men. What is more, women on birth control pills blink even more frequently than those who don't take them. The figure can go as high as 32% more often. At the same time, babies don't blink as much as adults, only 2 of even fewer times a minute. Number 7. Your kidneys filter all of your blood about 25 times a day, processing 4.75 gallons of it all together. Only 1% of the blood they filter turn into the urine. The rest is redistributed throughout the body. A kidney of an adult isn't big at all. In fact, its size can be compared to that of a fist. It's hard to imagine the biggest kidney stone ever. Its weight was 2.5 pounds, and it looked like a coconut. Number 6. The pink corner of our eye is the third eyelid. A third eyelid, you will ask. Do we have it? Yes. We humans retain a tiny fold in the inner corner of the eye. It is what is left from a membrane birds, and mammals have had for protecting the eye and sweeping out debris, at the same time providing visibility. We don't need this function anymore, so it's a high possibility that it will disappear with time. Number 5. The liver is capable of fully regenerating its original size, even after removing as much as 75% of the entire organ. It makes liver transplant surgeries altogether possible and effective. People who donate part of their liver to those who are in need don't have to worry about their health. Their liver will soon regenerate the part which has been donated. Number 4. Your heartbeat synchronizes with the rhythm of the music you are listening to. Recent research shows that music, especially the one that contains a continuous increase in volume or tempo, makes your heartbeat synchronize with it. It is relevant for both musicians and amateurs, or simply music lovers. Number 3. The same enzymes that are responsible for digesting the food people eat will begin to digest the human body itself after death. To be precise, they make human organs start to digest the body, and the enzymes themselves they team up with, microbes, and the process of decomposition begins. Number 2. Some of the atoms in our bodies are stardust that is billions of years old. Sounds very romantic, doesn't it? Unfortunately, not only humans can boast such body ingredients. All plants, animals, your food, even your car contains pieces of distant stars. The thing is, when stars explode, they shoot the elements which they used to consist of to the farthest corners of the universe. That is how stardust may unexpectedly appear in your soup bowl. Number 1. In an average lifetime, the heart pumps around 53 million gallons of blood. That's enough to fill approximately 1.5 million barrels. To do so, your heart has to be very hardworking. This fist-sized organ beats around 115,000 times a day and pumps 2,000 gallons of blood. In a lifetime, the number of its beats can reach 3 billion.